All right, so many people have asked me to do more apartment tour videos. So I thought I would do more apartment tour videos, but this one is a little bit more realistic. This here is a Starcity property. Starcity has a couple different properties all around the city, and if you are looking for a place to move to that's cheap and you don't want to have to deal with, you know, splitting the rent with the roommates and the utility bills and the cable, you should check out some of Starcity's properties. So this is one of Starcity's properties we're gonna go check out and go on a little tour right now. Let's go. This is a really cool property and we're gonna go on a little tour, guys. All right, guys, so this is one of the units here, one of the houses. This is a pretty cool house. You walk in and there's this little hangout area. Got a little TV area here. There's rooms, different rooms. I'll show you guys some rooms. But for now, I'm gonna do just a little walkthrough. Have a restroom here. Another restroom with shower. We also have a room available for rent here, which is pretty cool. Oh wow, look at that view. It looks like a really comfortable bed, yo. Oh yeah, it's super comfy. And I like these locks, so you don't have to worry about carrying those, you know, old school keys and, oh, I forgot my key, I forgot my key. No, you don't have to worry about your key anymore. You just remember the code and beep, 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 beep. Here we go, we got a kitchen. Unlike the hotel that I live in, this place actually has a kitchen. Pretty cool. I like that. I love the hotel, but there's no kitchen at the hotel. Oh, let's go to this top floor. Check out this view. Now just imagine every day you can have coffee here. You can have some pasta here. You can have your vegan sushi here. And check out this view. This is actually another unit upstairs, but it's very similar to the one that I just showed you. And I'm gonna go downstairs and show you guys some more things. But yeah, we got this view up ahead. Well, up above. And let's go down. I got someone showing us around, guys. You want to say hello?
Sure.
Yeah, what's your name?
Hey, I'm Tara.
Tara.
How's it going?
Cool. We are doing a little tour. Thanks for the tour, Tara.
Yeah.
And where else are you going to take me?
This is the patio area.
Oh, I love this patio. Oh, it also has a grill. Voila! You can cook. It's really cool down here. Like temperature-wise.
Yeah,
like when I was up there, it's a little bit warmer, but it feels great down here. Pretty cool area. Pretty cool area. And then there is this other place we're gonna go here. This is a really cool house. It looks very like new and modern. Okay, and there is another kitchen. There's a total of 2 kitchens or 3 kitchens?
So there's 4 kitchens within the house, so 1 per floor.
1 kitchen per floor.
Yeah.
Now I showed you guys 2 kitchens already. Just imagine there's 2 more kitchens. So you can take your pick where you wanna cook. You wanna cook on this floor, that floor, the other floor, or even outside. So it's pretty cool. Nice hangout area. So this is one of the Starcity properties. I have another Starcity property I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this one. If you guys are interested in like renting any of these places, the links will be in the description below. So what's up with the whole happy birthday? Was it someone's birthday here or?
Yeah. So I think it was a couple of months ago actually. They surprised one of the members with a surprise birthday party. She's originally from Texas, so they made it Texas themed, which was cute. They had like a bunch of barbecue. They used the grill outside. they like some people like wore hats. It was cute.
Ah, so so what you're telling me is there is a massive community vibe.
Totally.
Yeah, I was telling people like in a couple of live streams that like co-living is the place to be if you're moving to a city and you don't have like
Anyone, you don't know anyone.
you don't know anyone. Like you
Totally.
can move to a place like here in less than a week. You feel like it feels like you never. It feels like you're oh, I got friends. Like
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
normal. It's awesome.
Especially right now too, with like people working remotely and they want to like travel, and I have a good amount of people like coming into the city just because they wanted to experience San Francisco. So again, like what you're saying, they're basically like coming into already like family and community and create relationships there.
Yeah, no, and it's like it feels like a house. Like it feels like I'm just here, party outside area. It's pretty awesome. All right, the other Starcity house is, I think it's here, this place. Yeah, right here, 2074 Mission. So wow, we'll have to check out this Starcity house. This one looks cool. Oh, maybe it's 72. Now, one thing I love about this Mission Street house is look at all of this action just right outside of the house. I mean, there's plenty of places to get food, plenty of places to get something to drink. There's also a BART station just right down there. So if you want to get downtown, you can easily get downtown very quick living here. So let's go inside and let's go on a little tour. I love this artwork. Yes. Oh, wow. And I'm gonna go next. Oh, look at this. This looks like the mill area. Oh wow, check out this office. It's a pretty large office. It's co-living. So you can have your setup downstairs. Oh, washer and dryer. These are really nice. The other place also had washer and dryers too. I don't know if I pointed those out. Oh, check out these large restrooms here. I love the artwork in here. It's very, very, I like the colors. It's very like WeWork style, like very modern and cool looking. And then here we have this kitchen area, which is pretty dope. Oh, I love this stove, yo. I love this large room. Hola! And there's this hangout area. Unlike the hotel. This is really cool. I love this couch. Damn, look how big this couch is, yo. It's so long. Holy cow. All right, and then there's this outdoor area. Huh. Pretty cool. All right, so let's go upstairs. Let's go check out some of the rooms, because that's what everyone wants to see, are the rooms. Oh, and this here is the pantry area, which is kind of cool. It's massive, yo. You can hide your canned goods. Okay, so there is 3 levels here. The first level is full of the common spaces, the kitchen, the eating area, as well as washer and dryer, sort of the WeWork room, we can sort of call it, co-working room. And then on the 3rd level, there's some more places. So this is one room here, and all the rooms here come with a kitchen. Not a kitchen, it comes with a refrigerator, a sink, and a little cabinet area so you can put stuff there. It also comes with a very, very large closet. You can really like have a lot of clothes in there. Yeah, so here is one room. Window. Pretty cool. All right. Also on the same floor, there is multiple bathrooms. There's a bathroom straight ahead. And there's also a bathroom here. So just in case you need to go take a shower, there's a shower there. There's a toilet there. Looks like another restroom here. So there's plenty of showers and restrooms on each floor. All right, so back down here in the common area, and I see that there's this puzzle here. So I guess this is one of the little adventures that they have going on here in the community. They got like a puzzle going on. There's like some card games over there. There's some board games. I'm pretty sure you guys play drinking games here, right?
Yeah, actually they had a karaoke. They called it drunk karaoke for some reason.
Karaoke?
But they had it last Saturday. Jonas Brothers was a big hit that night.
Drunk karaoke. Oh, this sounds like a pretty cool place to live. You guys have any rooms available? I may want to like move down here, yo.
Oh, nice. I'll help you. Like, we can talk.
Oh, you guys have rooms available? Okay, so if I move from the hotel, you guys know where I'm living at now. But that's pretty awesome. I like this place. This is pretty cool.
Art pieces were like made from one of our members.
Oh, really?
Artists.
I like that green one there. That one looks really cool.
Yeah.
And then this one, you know, of course I like that one, you know.
Yeah, like the resident manager told me that like whenever someone leaves, they kind of like leave something here. Because like in our marketing stuff on the website, you can see it's kind of bare, and now it's like a lot of stuff. So people leave like books or like games and that sort of thing, which is I think really sweet.
Huh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's lots of, you know, there's entertainment here, I see.
Yeah.
That's pretty
Have you
awesome.
ever played Settlers of Catan?
I haven't.
You haven't?
I haven't
It's a
played.
good game.
I see.
I get pretty competitive.
Wow, there's like multiple. There's like 3 of them over there.
Yeah, it's a pretty good game.
Yeah, it must be a favorite around
There's
here.
there's extensions to the game.
Oh wow, you guys have all sorts of games over there. Huh? Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Whatever you want to play.
Yeah, whatever you want to play. All right, so it looks like we're done with the Starcity tour. Want to say thanks a lot, Tara.
Thanks for coming through.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a place, check out Starcity. They got a lot of really, really cool places in the Bay Area and other places around the country and also around the world. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.